Like we have an indoor pool and digital fireplaces in each room. Like, okay, that's a selling point.
Yeah, but just cold morning here. Fire's going here. Got a pot of tea going on there. Coffee going on soon. Got my new hawk there. Yes, sir. It's a beautiful morning.
No wind. That's what makes it beautiful. I heard no animal sounds right. Just getting my
Have a seat.
my comfortable fur for sitting. Gonna sit for a spell.
Yep.
Work on my hat visor here for the hat band for the day.
Yep.
Gotta tie it up a bit.
Food's almost ready.
It's an old guitar strap. Cut.
There you go.
Yeah, people, if you play guitar, you'll recognize that pattern.
Yeah.
Looks like one of my old hippie ones.
There you go.
The
Yep.
old days there.
Yep, they're from the 70s.
Yep.
But gotta get sun's out today. It's strong. Gotta get a hat with a visor.
Yeah, that's what I just did right now.
Yeah, I got my visor on. I got a tiny visor.
Covers
the top of my forehead here, but
Yeah.
it's enough, you know.
Well, those are true. I got two hats. We got from Blanket Brigade there.
Yeah.
We got some,
That's
cool.
good. It's all good.
So, yeah, got my muffin, ham, and cheese. Excellent. Beautiful, man. Fire's going good. Nice morning. No wind this morning.
nothing fancy.
Be here for nothing fancy, I was gonna say. Couple more days.
Day 3.
Couple more days. We'll be out here more. So, but
It's camping. We just camp.
we're just
We're just camping.
having
That's
a good
it.
time, man. That's all
We don't have to do anything else.
That's it, man. We're kicking back.
Just enjoy the day.
Kicking back.
Gotta have our coffee in the morning. Gotta have our Boston coffee.
Wait a minute now. Come on now. Hey. Come on now.
Say when.
That's good. That's good. Damn. Look at that, man. That is good. Look at that cheese coming out, man. Come on.
That's a Methodist song.